Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a new course which is called CapCut video editing course, and in today's video I will teach you how you can import data in CapCut. But first of all, I would like to open CapCut PC. If you don't have high-end PC, then you can use CapCut Web, which I told you about previous video. So this is the CapCut PC version, Windows version, and this is very easy and handy to use. So let's create a new project, and in today's video I will teach you how you can import and organize data in CapCut. So we have some files like audio files which we use in our projects, or some video, pictures, emojis, etc. So this is the window where we can import our data. So I click on import, and here this is the folder where I import different picture, videos. So if you want to import picture, import video, so I click on this and click on open. So as you can see, the video is imported here, and this is the preview window where you can import videos, where you can see videos. So after that I want to import some pictures, so I click on this, and this is the picture where this is the picture I imported. And the last thing I imported is I would like to import this. In that way you can import sound, music, everything you want. So let's see if I have music like this. So this is a copyright music, and we can play this. So in this way you can import data in CapCut. You can import emojis, pictures, PNGs, JPGs as you want. So after that there are some sort. If you want to sort with name, so this, with the file type, this, and time created, this one, duration, on the basis of duration you can sort these on the basis of this thing. After that you can show this in grid mode and also in list mode. So in list mode your assets look like this one, but I will choose grid mode, it's look better. After that, if you want to see only videos, so click on video. So only audio, click on audio. Only image, only images will show. Or if you want to click all, then all things, images, and your all assets shown here. If you want to import more than one picture or video, so select both of them and click on this. So these pictures are imported here. So in this way you can import your data in CapCut PC. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. I made short videos because in short videos you will get better understanding. So I will share this course in small parts. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.